Now let's talk about wheezing. Some common causes of wheezing that we have to consider as emergency physician include angioedema or allergic reaction, foreign body, especially in the child who all of a sudden was feeling well. You leave the room, you come back, and they are wheezing, short of breath. Think about, did they ingest a foreign body? Obviously think infection, CHF, or what we call a cardiogenic wheeze, psychogenic, upper or lower airway pathology, including asthma, bronchospasm, bronchiolitis, or COPD.